Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be exploring the marketing strategies available through Kindle Direct Publishing. So just hop onto your Kindle Direct Publishing page. Once you have logged in, click on Marketing, and it shall take you to this page. Once you arrive on this page, you will see that there are various marketing resources available, including Amazon Ads, Author Central, A+ content. There's also the ability to run a prize promotion and to nominate your ebook, right? However, for this video, we're going to focus on A+ content, which is a newer self-published author. You definitely should consider upgrading your Amazon page and including A+ content. So let's firstly see what are some of the guidelines. So once you click on A+ content guidelines, it will take you to this page. Some of the guidelines outlined here, there's pricing or promotional details. Things that should not be included is affordable, bonus free, add to cart, get yours now, etc. Customer reviews should also not be included. However, editorial reviews can be added via your Amazon Author Central page. Time-sensitive information and publication quotes. So guys, you can further read through this information to ensure that you are in compliance with Amazon's requirements for A+ content to be uploaded for your book. All right, so we're just going to go back to the marketing resources and select A+ content examples. It should take you to this page. Now this page outlines the various features in which A+ content may be laid out. All right, so let's look at the first one. It's an author detailed page example. So you will see the author said a little about herself, the main points of the book, etc. This is a standard image header with text, which is this one here. And you see how the picture is broken up in 3, and there are specific wordings to highlight the issues in the book. Another layout available for series in particular is the comparison chart module. And it looks something like this. And then also there's a standard single image and sidebar module. The standard single left image would look like this. And the standard image and text overlay would look like this. So guys, there are several options available in terms of how you would lay out your A+ content. So guys, feel free to read up more on A+ content via your Kindle Direct Publishing marketing page in order to add an additional benefit to your book. Now I'm just going to head across to Amazon to show you an example of how an author would have utilized the A+ content or their book on their page. So we're on Amazon right now. This book is called Red, White, and Royal Blue. And this is the A+ content, how it would show up on your Amazon page for your book. And this is the style that this author chose. So this is just to give you an example other than those provided by Amazon on A plus content examples. When deciding what type of look you should have for your A plus content, I recommend you go into Amazon, search similar books, and see how those publishers would have utilized A plus content in order to further advertise their book. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.